to put the focus completely on the cross and on Christ. Because on our best of days, nothing compares to Calvary. Nothing compares to Him. And whatever you're going through, rest assured that you haven't been left behind. That you're not alone. But that a very big God has been with you before we ever knew it was coming. And He whispers in your ear and says, wait till you see how this pans out. Because regardless how it may feel now, we've read the end of the book. And He wins. He wins. The kingdom of heaven wins. And so our prayer is that whatever you're going through tonight, that your prayer can be, God, I may not understand this, but if this is where I'm supposed to be so that my life can glorify your name, if I'm supposed to be here so that my troubles can advance your kingdom, if I'm supposed to stay in the valley just a little bit longer so that you can be the center of attention in my life, then Jesus, bring the rain.